Welcome to Jaja Academy Lahore. In this lecture, I am going to explain the difference between get function and get function in C programming language. Get function. The get function is used to hold the output screen and wait until user press any key from the keyboard. And the get function also performs the same thing. That is, the get function is used to hold the output screen and wait until the user press any key from the keyboard. The difference is the get function does not echo or return the key or the character that was pressed from the keyboard, but the get function echoes or it returns the key or the character that was pressed from keyboard. For example, while using the get function, I pressed E letter from the keyboard. The get function received this E letter, but it didn't return the E letter on the output screen. But if I use get function and I press E from the keyboard, then the get function will return E letter on the output screen. Let's implement this example in Turbo C++. This is a simple Hello World program. It prints Hello World on the output screen. Now, in order to hold my output screen, I have used get function. Let's run this program. This is the output of this program, Hello World. Notice this blinking cursor. Actually, it shows that get function is in progress and it is waiting for me, for user, to press any key from the keyboard. And then that key will be received by get function, but it will not return that key. Now I'll press the key E and the control is back to the editor. Now let's use the get function. Let's run this program. Control F9. The first hello world is the output of the previous execution of this program, and the second hello world is the output of the second execution of this program. And right now the cursor is blinking. The get function is in progress and it is waiting for me to press any key from the keyboard. Now I'll press the key E and it will return the same key on the output screen, E. And the control is back to the program. Actually, E was printed on the screen, but before I could see that E letter on the output screen, the control was back to the program. Now, in order to hold the output screen to see the output of this get function, I'll use another get function that will hold my output screen to check the output of previous get function. Now let's execute it again. This is the output of third execution of the program, and here you see the letter E that was printed in the second execution of my program, but I couldn't see this E letter. Right now the letter I will press from keyboard will be received by the get function, and get function will echo that letter on this output screen. This time I'll press T from keyboard, T, and you see the T is echoed on this output screen. T is returned on this output screen, and this blinking cursor is due to the execution of get function, not the get function. Now I'll press enter key and the control is back and the execution is ended. This is the difference between get function and get function. I'm repeating again, the difference between get and get function is that the get function echoes or returns the key that it receives, but the get function does not return the key or the character that it receives from the keyboard. Thank you for watching. For more computer science lectures for ICS Part 1 and Part 2 and other informative videos regarding your exams, subscribe to my channel.